Hello and a very good afternoon. So, summer vacations are coming, especially for you who are students. For normal working people, it's still the summer. But for students, it's a pretty good time. Of course, you can spend a lot of time relaxing, you can watch your TV series, watch movies. Of course, summer vacations are made for that. And you can also be a little bit more productive and can use your time a little bit more productively also. By spending about 1 to 2 hours every day, you can learn an extra new skill. So one of the skills that I want to recommend to you is to improve your vocabulary. Improving your vocabulary has many benefits. It will make you better fluent in English. It will make you better understand what you are reading. For example, when you are reading newspapers or magazines or your articles or whatever kind of reading that you do. And it can be very helpful when you are preparing for job interviews, and as we know, also for competitive exams like UPSC or a bank PO or any other type of entrance exams where English aptitude is required. So there are these 3 books which come in this set. It's called Unlock Your Word Power, that I want to really recommend to you if you are serious about getting your vocabulary right and if you want to improve your vocabulary. These books are by Norman Lewis, and one of them is really famous. Actually, this is one of my favorite books. It's called Word Power Made Easy by Norman Lewis. I have given probably 10-15 copies to students on their birthdays because it's one of my favorite books. Another is 30 Days to Better English, and you can see this is 1 month course in itself. And this is Instant Word Power, which is kind of like a continuation of Word Power Made Easy. All of these 3 books are amazing. They are very economical, about 200 to 300 rupees for the complete set on Amazon or Flipkart. I will also post a link in the description. And these are very good books. And one of the features that I really like about this book is that it's not a reading book. You don't just read them and just learn a bunch of new words. No, these are actually, all 3 of them are workbooks. The author basically divides them into chapters, divides all the words that you will learn into chapters, and each chapter starts with a very good discussion about the history of that word, why it is made that way, and then gives you exercises, lots and lots of different exercises to really drill that word down so that you know it by heart. So very awesome books. So I highly recommend during the summer vacation, you can, based on the time that you have, 1 month, 2 months or 3 months, whatever you want to invest, and you can do it even after your summer vacation. There is no great time investment required for it. About half an hour to 1 hour every day is more than enough for these books. So I highly recommend you check these books out. Take care, all the best, bye bye.